Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
Ciao amici, we're heading down to the big rock to do a nice hike, but we're not exactly sure where it is. It's gonna be a beautiful views. Hope you guys enjoy it. We just left our hotel room. Really nice hotel, as you can see in the videos. Enjoy this video. The famous Duomo, UNESCO site here in Cefalu.
We really didn't go into the Duomo because you've seen one Duomo, you've seen them all.
That's right. Don't be hating, but it's true.
So, I'm upstairs.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. The goal is to go there. Let's see if that happens.
Okay, so still in the early adventures of our hike. Look at these beautiful flowers. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, reporting back in. We finally found the sign. But it is sort of a labyrinth. So, but it seems to be here.
It should have been way down there, the sign.
So we finally met the checkpoint at Parco della Rocca. And this is the entrance.
$5, €5 per person.
Yes. This beautiful souvenir.
Now you can enjoy Sicilian orange juice. It's good. I like that. I'll go up.
You have the Rocca and then you have the Bella Mare. So more stairs. Keeps going on and on and on. Hi Morris.
Going and going. Definitely recommend doing this not in the afternoon sun.
Someone told us downstairs to go to the archaeological site. So we are headed there. Pom, 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 pom. I think this is the Temple of Diana. Beautiful here. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Give me nature anytime over the Duomo buildings. So look at this stunning. Wow. Talk about my beautiful rocks. Yeah, if you can explain to me how people put these rocks back then. Oh my god, look, nature finds a way. What is that? Absolutely stunning. Flowers just growing like that. Wow, thank you for your beauty. Look at that. Path gets rugged, as you can see.
Don't bring flip-flops.
It says you can't.
Oh.
There you go. Very excited. So some people helped us out and they said the castle is this way, the top point. So let's see what happens. So that's why they say it's not for people that are not in great shape, because it is definitely a hike.
For the last part.
Yeah, after the Temple of Diana. Do it again. Woo! Wow.
Beautiful.
Absolutely stunning. This is no different than the Amalfi Coast, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Finally made it to the Castello. Bum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Oh my god, stunning. This is like amazing. Look at this view. We are taking another way down. That's what it said for the exit. A little bit more difficult getting down because you have to have your balance. So take your time. Wear appropriate footwear. We just saw someone with sandals, so not really good. But beautiful breeze, beautiful views. It really, really is worth it. Okay, there you go. It's green. 12. Okay.
Got it there.
There you go. We are back downstairs. Oh. And now we're going for some lunch. You got it.
We're gonna try a curry.
Arancini. How
Only in
embarrassing.
Sicily.
How embarrassing.
Not sure which one this is. Oh my god, look at this.
Okay.
A lot of cheese.
Super hot, obviously, but this guy doesn't listen.
It's good, but guess what? It's hot.
That's it. This is what all the hype is about. That's it. Water. Bathhouse.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to High by Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.